Good morning. Today I want to prepare oatmeal with apple and banana, fresh fruits with no sugar. Here I have oatmeal, 1 cup. I have my milk here. I have apples, I have banana, so I have my water. I have a clean pot here and a stapler, wooden spoon. First I will add water to the pot. I have here 1.5 cups of water. I add my oats in it. And stir. I continue to stir. I don't want it to be too watery, and I add my milk. I add the milk and continue to stir and let the oats cook also. The pot and then getting burnt. Continue to stir, checking the thickness. So it's okay now. I like it has cooled, and the consistency is what I like now. It's okay. I'm putting it down and allowing it to cool down. While our oats get cooled down, I serve. This is what we now have. Then I put my apples on it. And choose to add the rest of the milk on it. And then you serve. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. Enjoy.